Okay, student, see the remaining RNS equation. The plot of log to the base 10k versus 1 upon t is a straight line. So this is the uh, graph plot log to the base 10k versus 1 upon t, and this is the straight line. Plot is the straight line because it is the equation is the in the form of the y is equal to mx plus c, and slope of this line, straight line, slope of this line is the minus ea upon 2.303 r. Okay, from the slope of line the activation energy can be determined. So from this equation, from this the slope of line, we can determine the energy of activation, we can determine the activation energy. Okay, uh, now consider the next point, determination of the activation energy. How the activation energy is determined? For two different temperature, T1 and T2, the log to the base 10 K1, the RNS equation we can write here. Log to the base 10 K1 is equal to log to the base 10 A minus EA upon 2.303 R T1 equation 1. And we can also write log to the base 10 K2 for temperature T2, log to the base 10 A minus EA upon 2.303 R T2 equation 2. We have the where K1 and K2 are the rate constant T1 T2 at a T1 and T2, that is the at a different two temperatures T1 and T2. Subtract the equation 1 from the equation 2. We have the subtracting equation 1 from the equation 2. uh, so log to the base 10 K2 minus log to the base 10 K1 is equal to minus E upon 2.303 R1 upon T2 plus, because equation have the negative sign, and also we have subtracting minus minus here plus A upon 2.303 R into 1 upon T1. Therefore log to the base 10, we can write here log to the base 10, that is the, in simple word, log to the base 10 K2 upon K1, that is the divide. K2 upon K1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 R 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. This sign is shifted towards 1 upon T1 and 1 minus 1 upon T2. So here we get the plus sign. Okay. Log to the base 10 K2 upon K1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 T2 minus T1 divided by T1 into T2 divided by T1 into T2. Okay. So we get these equations. Last final, log to the base 10 K2 upon K1 is equal to A upon 2.303 T2 minus T1 divided by T1 into T2. Okay, I hope you are understood.